Alright, hello everybody, and this is my unboxing from GhoulishGoodies.net. I ordered this. It says I'm a zombie fan, a huge Walking Dead fan, and Nivik Tech has connected me to this fantastic item. I can't wait to. In my hands I've got a cocktail. I'm going to be feeling good by the time I finish this. So, time to, oh, there's no music.
Oh.
We're going to get some music going here. We got to have some Walking Dead music. Well, that'll work. Alright, let me tell you, when Ghoulish Goodies sends out this box, it is heavy and it is packed. So, my husband Jason is over there filming. Alright, open this up. The spider webs. Ghoulish Goodies is a site that makes these mystery boxes for horror films, but not just horror films. They do everything. I'm going to do a Madonna box. This is not Jason's thing. He's not going to appear in front of the camera. He's not much of a horror film anyway. He's more into Marvel and Star Wars. Maybe we'll have a Star Wars unboxing. Alright, a lot of spider webs here. Wow, a lot of spider webs. I'm at my bar. Alright, look here, we got a lot of blood. I wouldn't expect anything less from a zombie box. A lot of blood. Oh, this is going to require another drink. I got myself my margarita with a little bit of blood in it. Alright. First of all, we got a card here on top. I don't know if you can see how full this box is. It's pretty full. Alright. So, we got a card first. Oh. There's stuff coming out of it. It says, I love you. And on the back, True Love's got some zombies here. Or no, that's Frankenstein and Mrs. Frankenstein monster. That's zombies. Open it up. Some green stuff and some bats coming out. Ooh. Donny and Jason, thank you for buying our flesh-tastic, blood-curdling zombie lovers mystery box. We hope it will give you many nights of bloody nightmares. Darkest wishes, Ghoulish Goodies. Thank you, thank you. Alright, and then our first package here has some Ghoulish Goodies stickers, it looks like. Just to make sure I got it. Ooh, oh, a wine voucher, $100 wine voucher. Mm-hmm. That's awesome. All right. It looks like here is Sinister.com, some advertisement stuff here, some business cards. This is fantastic. You know I'm going to take advantage of these. All right. Now this one here. Oh, there's. Oh my gosh. I do not own any of these. This is fantastic. This is the Walking Dead comic. Fantastic. Fan-fucking-tastic. Wow. Night of the Living Dead. And we got autographs of people from many things. I think these are, I can't read it without my reading glasses, but I'm assuming Night of the Living Dead. That's pretty cool. That's pretty freaking cool. The autographs continue. This one is Night of the Living Dead. This one She says, I hurt.
Mhm.
All right. They won't stay dead. Man, all these autographs. This is fantastic. Oh, my God. They're, of course, my favorite. Walking Dead. Oh, I hear the Walking Dead theme music playing over here. A lot of Walking Dead cards here. Hit me with a wire hanger and call me Christine. This is fucking fantastic. Ha! Autographs from the cast. Ha! That is awesome. All right. More autographs. This is crazy. Thank you so much on these autographs. I gotta make room for all this stuff. We're gonna put these up here with my bar for right now. Cheers, queers. And you straight ones too. Is Barbara there? No porn, Barbara. Not a porn box. All right, what do we got next? Man, this is just like crazy deep full of stuff. All right. Red for blood. Zombie. This is awesome. Awesome. Look at it. It's even cut the right shape. More autographs from The Walking Dead. Cool. There's Negan. Jeffrey Dean Moore. Oh, wow. Love it. Love it. Look at all these horror film cards. Walking Dead autographs again. My God. Daryl. A lot of people love Daryl. I think he's dirty looking, but I was more of a Rick or a Negan. Oh, hold on. I got look here. Zombies. Dawn of the Dead. I gotta look at this. The Zombie That Ate Christmas coloring book. Now, is that not fan-fucking-tastic? Oh my God. Oh.
In here.
What's that?
I was going to say show a page.
Show a page? Someone said show a page? There's that Krampus even.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Awesome. Now this one here is wrapped up in blood and it's got an eyeball package. It's probably candy. You know what? I should get my reading glasses out for some of this. Yeah, I gotta wear my reading glasses for this. All right. This is a jelly-filled marshmallow candy right here on the top, which I will be eating. All right, what is this? A CD, Zombie Influx Buzz and Works. Fantastic. I love it. Ooh, gotta have a drink. Gotta have a drink. Whenever there's good stuff, I gotta drink. Okay. This one here's got a heart. Looks like maybe a gummy heart with all the veins and stuff like that. Another ghoulish goodie that I'm going to eat. It's a monster pooper. It's a zombie and it poops these little balls. It's going to be perfect for entertaining people at my bar. Oh, the balls are candy. Nice. I poop candy. Perfect, perfect. I'm like a kid on Halloween, Christmas. All right, another eyeball. Candy was attached to this. Let me tell you, this is so worth the money that I paid for this. I mean, the autographs alone are pretty freaking cool. Again, ghoulishgoodies.net. If you go to the website, there are some things that are budget versions. This is not the budget version. There is one that was close to half price. That was a budget version. Oh no, this is absolutely disgusting. You put this ball in, it says it'll make your bath water slimy.
Ew.
Now that is something not for a viewing on Facebook. But maybe it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oop, gotta have another drink. I'm feeling a good buzz already. Everyone who knows me knows I'm a lightweight, so when it comes to my alcohol, that one's empty. Oh, this one I already opened.
Yes.
All right. Zombie plushie. I love it, love it. Matter of fact, you're gonna go right here. All right, let's put a couple of these things up here. All right. More gummy candies like that. Oh, hello. Looks like I got me a zombie cup. A zombie cup. I feel like I want to pour my drink in here, but I probably want to rinse it out first. All right, I'm getting all the music just like.
Yeah, I noticed that.
All righty. I just don't want this to end, but I'm not even past the fourth of the way down. Oh my God, this one's big. All right, this one here is big. Oh, this one's got a lot of stuff here. Okay, so we got a 10-card pack of some zombie cards from Bernie Wrightson. I love my zombies. Is this a stress ball? I think it is a stress ball. So, yep, squeeze me. Oh, the brain squeeze out. Ha! Look at that. Squeeze his head. I'm going to... Oh, there's some flesh mints. Zombie breath mints, flesh mints. And your beanie ball with your zombie. And more slime, crystal slime with flashing light. Oh, there's a little eyeball in there or something like that. I can't tell what that is. But it flashes. Boy, this little bag's got more. Cool as that. That is going to go right up here next to my little guy. That's awesome. Came in this little bag for zombie bag. I love that. All right. There's a lot of shit in here. I like it. All right. Glow in the dark zombie sticker paper doll. So it's a paper doll. And there he is. And you got to dress him, and half his body, of course, missing. But there's his clothes. Pretty cool. Got my bat bag. All right. You got more edible organs right here attached to this one. I feel like I want to eat them now. Okay. All right, we got zombie brain soap. All right, looks like soap in the shape of brain. That's cool. You know, makes you want to use them, but then I wouldn't have them anymore. I may have to be one of those collector things that just sit there. I can't believe I got all those autographs. That's awesome. All right, what do we got here? This here is a mishmash biohazard bag. And it's got a whole bunch of stuff in it. Looks like lip balm and candies and cards and little toys. This is more cards over there. Yeah, we got a lot of them. Specimen bag. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I love my zombies. Candy bag. A lot of candies. Jason, you'll help me eat this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm diabetic, but I don't ever turn down candy. I did not tell Nivic Tech that I was diabetic. I got my crayons and I can color my coloring book.
Very good.
And I don't know what that is, but I gotta open it and find out. We haven't got to the bottom yet. Alright, what else is in here is these bags. There's two of them in here. I'll open one. I remember the last guy was talking. Oh, what is this? This is got the stuffed man in my baggie. What is this? More candy. Cemetery crates. More candy. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. All right, and we got more candy, a lot of candy, and Charge Under Light Kit Kat, whatever. So that must glow in the dark Kit Kat. Eyeballs, plushes, drinking straws. Oh, drink! Gotta have more drink. All right, here we go. More. Does it show anyone's there?
Yep, there's people.
Alrighty. Oh, zombie hand. I'm assuming it's gummy. Yep, gummy. I will eat that zombie hand. Holy cow! Soap on a rope, not edible. Soap, its ears on. Who was it that was cutting in Walking Dead? One of the characters was cutting the ears off. I can't remember now who it was. Oh, Daryl. Daryl, yeah. That was a dark moment for Daryl. That's freaking cool. I don't even want to open that. That's like, you keep that for memento. Alright. A lot of these all have candies attached to them. I'm not going to go through every one of them, point that out, but there is candy again, gummy, brains, it looks like, or a stomach. I don't know what that is. This is some. Yes, Return of the Living Dead with commentaries. You know me, Jason. You know I love the commentaries. This is a really cool movie. And oil monster oil. I can't remember what that guy's name was. Anyway, awesome. All right, we're getting close. We're getting close. Hang in there. I think everybody, you know, they got a Rocky Horror one. So if you're a Rocky Horror person, get the Rocky Horror one. There's two different versions. There's a budget one, and there's a full-fledged one, which I saw the full-fledged has a lot of good stuff in it. All right. And every package is different. You don't know what you're getting. Oh! Ho, ho! Wow! This is the cream of the crop. This is Rick waking up at the hospital on episode 1. And oh my god! Oh my god! Alright. We got, looks like one more package. Oh wait, one more package. What's this? What is this? Zombie stickers. A lot of zombie stickers. Fantastic. all over my car. All right, this is the last one. Can't believe love that. I got me a pillow, a zombie pillow. Fan-fucking-tastic. Okay, you guys. Deep box loaded with stuff. Autographs alone. The Walking Dead memorabilia. I can't tell you how happy I am. I am thrilled. Comment the coloring book. I'm more thrilled about this than all of it. I mean, I love all of it. The autographs are pretty fucking cool. Thank you, Nivic Tech. Everybody go to Ghoulish. That's G-H-O-U-L-I-S-H. Goodies.net. They have a list of all the things. If they don't have it, they can make something. They're going to make a Madonna one for me. You know me, I love Madonna. They're going to make a Madonna one for me for my birthday. And then they got Rocky Horror. They got all kinds of movies. They probably got my second favorite movie, Saw. So they probably have Saw stuff. You never know. Thank you all for coming. Barbara, I love you. Thank you for connecting me to Nivic Tech. And one final drink before we say goodbye. Love you guys. Bye.